Oh, dude, what is that?
That's a bum.
Oh,
I have one.
that's so nice, dude. Yeah.
So does it look like my engine's all apart, or
Yeah.
balls?
Yeah. So we just put that thingy in there on that.
I'm thinking we have to take out those little like slate things.
Okay, wait, actually.
It smells like dried ducks. Do you have your light?
Is this edible?
I wouldn't eat the shells of walnuts.
Oh, is that?
No, I think so. I don't know. Oh yeah, money shot. We got 30. That's nice. I don't know which cylinder this is, dude. I'm freaking
No, I wish I could tell
8
you.
block, bro. In bed. Seen a lot worse. But it is, she's getting gunky. If you were to let it go any longer, I'd say it'd start getting pretty dirty. Yeah. Oh, you get some more walnuts in there. I don't know if we're going to be able to pour it from the box, dude. The box is pretty large. And this is pretty small. Well, we have run into some issues just with the blaster itself. We found this fitting to be broken somehow. We had the rod part, the blowy part off of the tank, just sitting over there. I don't know, somehow between now and last night she went bye-bye. Time to get that code star, baby. No. Oh my god. Yeah, dude. Big chili. Oh wow. It's cold as shit in here. Too cold to cold start again, dude. We have acquired another sandblaster. We couldn't find the piece to fix it
for some reason.
Oh, it's in your pocket?
Yeah.
Wow. We got a whole lot of shit. Dude, so much stuff. I need one of those in my life. Look how big the tips are. Get off the hole? Yeah. We got 2 of the cylinders done. Coming back tomorrow, gonna tackle it again. A lot more involved than we thought, but we're learning through the process. First time cleaning the Subaru valves. It's only got 30K on it, but it's recommended around then, so we're getting it for sure. And we're back at Brandon's. Oh yeah. I think I set my clothes on this.
Taco in your
You got taco in me?
Yeah.
Is it cheese?
I think it's just taco.
It's shell. Cut the shell. Dude, yeah, that's a rough eat. Cut messy.
Trying to drive and eat sometimes is a little hairy.
Yeah, dude, sitting boost. It's like taco.
Oh.
The tacos break, man. I got crunchy ones. I should have got soft ones. They freaking break on me. Broke in half. The one I opened was already broken in half, right at the bottom. And the whole shell was broken in half. I was like, sick.
Turn them off!
Oh,
Trip.
yeah. I did it with my phone. I guess it had to.
This thing takes so much power. Really. We're doing this side?
Yeah, well, no, just start rotating it. Get some valve action. Hefty. Okay, so this one was closing.
This closing?
This one was on my right was closing. This one on the left is opening.
Keep going.
Yeah. No, this one's closed. This one's closed. Clean as snake use, dude. Oh my god. Go in from the top.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh.
Dude, that's like clean. That's like clean as fuck. That's like brand new. You can see the lines where they seat.
Alright, that one went
That's
very
like
good.
pretty much what they should look like.
That went very good.
That's a really good looking cylinder.
I've definitely felt like
That's
I
really
was
good.
getting it up and down, like everywhere in there.
Yeah. I mean, on the outsides, you could use it, but like that's just a little shit.
Okay.
That's just little on the walls. That looks insane. Oh yes, that's one we just cleaned. That shit is so clean. Cleaned that one last night, but that was our first valve, first cylinder that we cleaned. Wasn't the best. Not bad at all though.
I have no clue.
No, dude, that's freaking awesome. You have to blow this one out with air. I recommend blowing them all out with air before you turn the motor over again. Just try and get every walnut out of there. Dust is alright, I'd say. Because the dust just sticks to the carbon. You can't get that off. It'll burn it. He's cleaning the these right now. These things slide into the cylinders. Like so. Upper TGV, I think, right?
I don't know what the fuck this is. The
They're
lower
just-
TGVs or those black things that are in there?
Okay, I think it's just like air straighteners, pretty much. Oh
I can't believe you've done this.
no! Got all the walnuts everywhere, man.
Ah, fuck.
It's okay. They be going in when I drive home, probably. Yeah, boys, we are in the rebuilding phase. We got all the valves sprayed out, and then we closed them, and then closed all the holes and sprayed off the whole engine bay. Got shit everywhere. And putting the foam back in. Huh? Intake manifold in. All these lines to fucking, dude, the god freaking catch can line, man. We had to actually change back, but I think it's the stock line, but we don't know. But it fits good as a bigger diameter. It wouldn't fit over the vacuum port, the manifold. Oh, I gotta tighten that. It's going together, dude. How much of a bitch is this usually? Oh, fucking bitch. Wait, okay. I'm gonna put these on as far as I can.
That one needs to come down a lot further. I need to get my side in like pretty first. So like
Do it like this?
if you can like get that coupler on a little bit further,
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
and then if we can pull this up so I can like get this down in here first. Cause this coupler you have to like fucking peel back.
Okay.
Under that stand. Having the house set on editing tonight, or if you wanted to. Either call Colton and see if he's available, just shoot me, so
Okay.
that way we could just meet at your house.
Actually, yo. Well, you're here, so that's not gonna work.
Yeah.
Oh, I think we're good. Wait, maybe. This coupler's fighting us. We got a fan lift to put in. Oh shit, I got to go with these connectors too. This is backfiring. It's gonna be bubbling while I do this also. Down she goes. Alrighty. Let's open up that K-Raj door and...
Damn. That was a lot.
Dude, hell yeah, brother. Gas cap? Fire it up. You need one more time?
You
Yeah.
don't have to take it out, you just turn it back and turn it forward again.
Yeah. That's what I like to see.
He starts.
Gotcha, bitch. Yeah, boy. Let's go, baby. That's a tornado. Wow. Hell yeah, dude. It hasn't ran in like... Yeah, dude. Yeah. We'll go for a test drive. For sure. Get on 4 going here, man. Sedan life.
Everything else is good so far.
Wow, you have a crazy turning radius, dude. Holy shit! How was your dam? That one felt weird.
Yeah, that one is a little jerky.
What's that thing your bottom right?
Bottom right is my boost.
Oh, okay, you're good. Let's let her chill for a second and get rid of the beans again.
Hey, she's feeling really good.
Yeah, baby. Smelling some interesting things, but I think they're
I
okay.
think it's walnut.
What?
You think it's the walnut?
No, I just think it's probably like stuff we sprayed or something. Oh, baby.
Oh, that did it for you.
Got me sliding in my seat. I need to get seats. What are your next plans, my guy? Well, you gotta put the brakes on, yeah. Brakes sitting over there, right?
We'll see what she goes.
Yeah. Dude. Wheelage. Wheelage. This has been SVG Tapes. If you liked, comment and subscribe if you liked the video. Oh, yeah, fucking right. Oh, these Subaru owners. Have fun doing that. It's not the best. Every 30K, eh? Uploads every Wednesday. Weekly uploads every Wednesday. Freaking tune in for that. Maybe an upload on the weekends. Install upload. We out.